Hi, my name is Cynthia Selva. If you've ever tried starting a drop shipping business, you'll know that it's hard to be successful. Beginners get overwhelmed by conflicting information and fall victim to the get-rich-quick schemes of so-called gurus. The fact is, drop shipping is an awesome way to make money online. You just need someone experienced, someone who's done it, to show you the ropes so you build your business the right way. I'm guessing you want to avoid the mistakes that most beginner drop shippers make, potentially save hundreds of hours on market research, and learn exactly how to build and grow a profitable store. Last week I had access to a series of online courses that do just that. SaleHoo Educate is a new premium education platform where you can access in-depth courses, taught by e-commerce experts, on how to build, launch and grow a successful online business. SaleHoo has helped e-commerce entrepreneurs start up and succeed since 2005, and now their veteran online sellers are sharing their battle-tested strategies and secrets. In short, you will get access to an exclusive list of the 11 most profitable dropshipping niches. Build your Shopify store the right way using the proven strategies of a 7-figure dropshipper. Learn how to prepare your dropshipping store for a successful launch. Follow a real product launch from idea to store design to first sale. Learn the best marketing strategies used to scale a dropshipping store to 7 figures. And so much more. SaleHoo Educate is a game changer for anyone looking to fast track, by a few years, their success with dropshipping or any e-commerce store on Shopify. It's no fluff, full of real-life examples and guaranteed to make a great return of your investment. Right now you have the chance to get access to SaleHoo Educate at a special launch price. It's possibly the best deal you'll ever get on this all-new platform. Don't miss out on a great deal on one of the best dropshipping education platforms out there. Click here to sign up for SaleHoo Educate now.